How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your soundbar to your PS5. So normally you just want to set everything up from the soundbar side. You want to make sure that you plug the right cables onto your television right here. Most likely it's going to be using this colored plugs. This is basically for audio, or we also have the headphones jack right here that's sometimes used for your soundbar. So just go ahead and make sure that you already connect your soundbar to your television. And to basically avoid lags, bottleneck, you want to go ahead and use HDMI. Basically with HDMI, it also contains audio. So you just want to make sure to plug the HDMI directly onto your television and the television directly connected onto the soundbar itself. This will eliminate bottlenecks, lags, and many more. So your audio is going to be perfectly crisp. So it goes something like this. From the soundbar, it will connect onto your television, and the television HDMI will then connect onto the HDMI port right here on your PS5. And so that's how easy it is. It will automatically be connected after making sure that you have the soundbar as your audio output. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.